What if you could knock out your entire marketing system, your email marketing system, your social media marketing system in an afternoon? No more guessing what to post, no more trying to figure it out on your own. You're probably posting random stuff hoping that it works or hoping that either it goes viral or that it reaches the right people. That's not a strategy, that's not a plan. Or maybe you got an email list that's sitting there collecting dust. Maybe you built some names before and you just haven't done anything with that email list. Maybe you've been trying to post on social media and it feels like an extra job without the paycheck to go with it. I feel you. And that's exactly why I built the Entrepreneur Accelerator. And one toolkit and one combo, you'll walk away with a 12-month plan. And I know that sounds banana. I know it sounds like a lot, but we do that all in under 30 minutes. 27 minutes to be exact, because none of the trainings are long, and you can watch all the videos in about 27 minutes. And you'll walk away with a complete 12-month content marketing strategy, email marketing strategy, social media marketing strategy tailored to your audience. And it's AI powered, so writing never has to feel hard, or you never have to think about what you're going to do, because we give you some AI prompts to help you get there. And then we give you the tools to get people clicking, watching, and in a lot of cases buying from the very start. We're talking content, social, and email ready to go, done. All of it mapped out for you inside the Entrepreneur Accelerator. And this is the wildest thing. This system is jam-packed with almost about $400 worth of real resources that you get. I'm talking ebooks, I'm talking trainings, I'm talking workshops. You get the AI content starter kit, and you get some tools that's going to help you come up with hooks and thumbnails. All the stuff you need to actually get people from your content to your products. So here's the move. We're going to stop winging it. You can get the Entrepreneur Accelerator today, and you can spend one afternoon building your system out. And after that, you'll know exactly what you're doing. You'll know exactly where you're going. All you got to do, go down, click the button. Let's get it.